states will be given a different type of hormonal therapy. Premenopausal, it's a different one. So in already postmenopausal, they will have osteoporosis. So definitely putting a drug, it also causes osteoporosis. So there are few medications like denosumab as well as zoledronic acid. They help in strengthening the
Bone preservation, right?
So that can be used judiciously. But calcium should be a part of everyone, any female more than 25 years, calcium should be part of their diet.
Yes.
Or calcium supplementation is a must.
Yes, sir.
And
So,
that
sir,
will
yeah, sir. So so the treatment for bone preservation, yeah, along with say suppose because of relapse again they have to go for radiation. So how it is generally done?
So, see, the thing is, ma'am, before we start them on any hormonal treatment
Right.
which affects their bone health, we do a baseline DEXA scan.
Right.
We assess the risk for fracture. If the risk is high, then we weigh the pros and cons of starting the treatment. We also tell the patient that you have very weak bones. Also, we tell patients that just taking calcium is not enough. You have to do some form of exercise for the bones to absorb the calcium. If they have a relapse and we again have to give them treatment that will cost, reduction in calcium density, then again we do a DEXA scan, assess the risk, we weigh the pros and cons, and then we give zoledronic acid and all to combat that. Right? Regarding the genetic testing, I think Dr. Baswant will take that. But just so you know, I will add, even though everybody is worried about hereditary cancer risk, you should know that only 15% of the cases we see in our OPDs actually have a genetic link. 85% of cancers are spontaneous. So if you have one person in your family, like your
Yes.
father-in-law, who has developed cancer above the age of 60, and you have one person in the other side who
Right.
developed cancer up to the age of 60, it might not be something to worry about, but definitely you have to undergo regular screening.
Screening, right?
Regarding the genetic test,
It is very costly. Cannot be done for everybody. In India, the minimum starting price is somewhere around 25,000. Best class, not the can be done in hundreds of labs, but they are not as
Sure, sir.
basic test starts at probably around 20-25,000. The actual cost of exact test will be somewhere around 50,000.
Okay.
You cannot do directly for the kids.
Okay.
Must do it to the person who is suffering from cancer. If it comes positive, then their kids, their grandkids can. Otherwise, don't worry about it.
Thank you, sir.
It is a blood test.